stuff TikTok made me buy that now I can't live without. I have friends wearing these fun-looking socks for foot realignment and foot pain. Of course, I had to give them a try. It feels surprisingly good, like a full body stretch, but for my feet. They're 100% natural, drug-free, clinically proven, and doctor recommended. But the best part of all is they are machine washable. Now I'm back on my feet and living life to its fullest. I love my Happy Feet socks.